So in 2023, the Galaxy S23 Ultra was my phone of the year. But in 2024, something happened. The OnePlus 12. So the OnePlus 12 is packed with top-of-the-line specs, innovative features, and a price tag that's hard to resist. At about $799, the OnePlus 12 has been proven reliable in a bunch of areas. So let me talk about the phone of the year for me in 2024. Sit back, relax, and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Zach back with another video. So the best phone for me may not be the best phone for you, and that's understandable. The theme of this video is going to be personal preference. But for me, the OnePlus 12 brings me everything that I'm looking for. It has the power with the 8 Gen 3 processor with 16 gigs of RAM, 512 gigs of storage. It's nothing out there that I can throw at this device that would slow it down. So I'm overall impressed at the OnePlus 12 performance because it's really good. So I've been using the OnePlus 12 for almost a year in 2024. And I never had second thoughts about using this device because it's just that good. Now I keep my other devices on me also, but the OnePlus 12 to me is top dog. Look, another awesome thing about the OnePlus 12, again, personal preference, I really like it. The camera systems. The camera system on the OnePlus 12 is one of the best in the market. Again, personal preference. Look, you might like the Galaxy S24 Ultra cameras. You may like the Google Pixel cameras, or you even might like the iPhone 16 cameras, and that's okay. But for me, I absolutely love the OnePlus 12 camera system. It brings a lot to the table for me. And again, the theme of this video is personal preference. Next, let's talk about the software. Again, personal preference. You might like Samsung, you might like Google, you might even like Motorola and other devices. Personal preference. For me, I really enjoy using Oxygen OS 15, Android 15 on the OnePlus 12. To me, it brings a next level of smoothness. I really enjoy scrolling through the OS and using this device. The 120 Hz display is really good on the OnePlus 12. So for me, again, I really like Oxygen OS. Next, the build quality and the display, both are excellent. The display has very good colors, vivid colors, good brightness. I like it, right? The build quality to me is stunning, absolutely stunning. And yes, I do love the curved display. Again, that's my personal preference. Look, the display, I have no complaints. It's bright enough. 120 Hz display is stunning, fast, smooth. It's great. It fits my needs perfectly. And I've used so many phones, but the OnePlus 12 is just that phone of the year for me. And lastly, battery life. Battery life on the OnePlus 12 has been stellar, right, in 2024. Look, it's nothing bad to say about the battery life on the OnePlus 12. It's been giving me all-day battery life with room to spare. So to me, I don't have no issues with the OnePlus 12 battery. It's just that great. So compared to other smartphones in this weight class, the OnePlus 12 holds its own, and then some. Some of the closest rivals, right, to the OnePlus 12, obviously the Pixel 9 Pro XL and the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Like that device has a slightly larger display, got Samsung DeX, it got that S Pen and One UI if you like One UI. But for me, I like the fast charging capability. I love the performance. I love the top-notch cameras. I love the simple, intuitive software that I don't have to put a third-party overlay on this device. I'm using stock launcher on here. And let's not forget about the price. The OnePlus 12 undercuts its rival by a significant margin, which make this device a steal even going into 2025. I'm getting the OnePlus 13, but if you want to get a device that's almost perfect for me, the OnePlus 12 is the device. As you know, no phone is perfect, so let's talk about some cons. First, desktop mode. It was added with Android 15. Now, listen, it's a fresh beginning with desktop mode. And to me, I want OnePlus to make some software tweaks to make it better, because right now, desktop mode on the OnePlus 12 is a joke. So you need to know that. Next, Bluetooth issues. Sometimes when I'm listening to a pair of headphones and I get near another pair of headphones or near another Bluetooth source, sometimes it switches automatically, which is very annoying. So hopefully the next software update will fix that. Because if I'm listening to music and I get close to another Bluetooth source that's connected to this device, sometimes it automatically switches. Kind of annoying, but that's a con. And that's all the cons I have with the OnePlus 12, because again, I really do like this device. The theme of this video is personal preference. Look, I love the OnePlus 12. It's going to be my phone of the year. It has the power, it has the cameras, it has the price tag that's very hard to resist. The best smartphone for me in 2024 is the OnePlus 12. That's what I'm talking about. And guess what? The OnePlus 13 probably going to be the best phone for me in 2025, because the OnePlus 12 is just that good. I would highly recommend it to anybody that want one of the best at a very good price. So what's your phone of the year? Leave it down in the comments below. Let's have a conversation. Again, personal preference. Right? Listen, it's no rights or wrong devices of 2024. It's all what you like. And the OnePlus 12 is a device for me. And I absolutely love it. This is the Tech Preacher. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the OnePlus 12 in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.